Teachers, if you could automate your most boring classroom task, what would you choose? Grading, lesson planning, or creating materials? Well, let's see what AI can already do for you. Imagine walking into your classroom and realizing your lesson plan, grading sheets, and even visual materials are already done, all thanks to AI. Sounds unreal? Not anymore. Today, we are exploring top AI tools for teachers in 2025. Tools that are saving time, boosting creativity, and helping students learn better than ever. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel, we'll share smart insights for teaching and learning, research, AI, and digital productivity skills. If you love learning new things that actually make sense, hit that subscribe button now and join our community so you never miss any new video. If you are ready, let's dive in. The number one AI tools for teachers we are going to begin with is Magic School AI. Think of this as we are all in one digital assistant. Magic School AI helps you generate standards aligned lesson plans, student activities, parental emails, and rubrics all in 1 minute. It is like having a teaching partner who never sleeps. In number 2, we have Defeat. If you ever struggled to adapt materials for students with different reading levels, this one is for you. Defeat simplifies your text to multiple levels, helping every student learn at their own pace. No more one-size-fits-all handouts, just personalized content in seconds. Number 3, Grade Scope. Now, say goodbye to long grading marathons. Gradescope automates grading for tests, assignments, and even handwritten work. And it also gives you detailed analysis about where your students need help most. Number 5 is something you cannot do without. But before that, let us go to the next one, which is number 4. And number 4 is Canva Magic Studio. Well, we all know Canva, but its Magic Studio features takes it to a new level. It uses AI to help you design stunning classroom posters, worksheets, and presentation slides. No design skills needed. Just type what you want and Canva brings it to life. I have also done many videos in this channel on how to use Canva for different things. Please look out for the video link. In number 5, we have ChatGPT for education. This one is a must-have. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm creative lessons, write quizzes, summarize readings, or even draft announcements. Think of it as your brainstorming buddy who is available 24/7. I also have a video on how to use ChatGPT for different scenarios. Kindly check out for the link in the description. In number 6, we have Mentimeter. With this, you can turn boring slides into creative sections. With live polls, quizzes, and question and answer, Mentimeter turns your classroom into a dynamic two-way experience where every student has a voice. In number 7, we have ed.ai. That is ed.ai. I'll put all the link in the description box. This one is a lesson planning in autopilot. This AI tool helps you to design personalized lesson frameworks that match your curriculum, complete with engaging classroom activities. In number 8, we'll have Audio Pen. Never miss a single teaching idea. With this, You can record your thoughts or lectures, and audio pen instantly transcribes them with incredible accuracy. It is perfect for creating notes, summaries, and handouts. If you watch up to this moment, you are really a teacher who likes learning. Then in number 9, we have brisk teaching. Your personal co-writer. Brisk helps you to plan your lessons, create assessments, and track your student progress effortlessly, all while learning your teaching style over time. Then in number 10, we have School AI. It is formerly known as Kigo. These AI chat assistants work directly with your students, answering questions, giving real-time feedback, and keeping them engaged while learning. It is like every student having their own personal tutor. Now, tell me, which of these tools do you think would make your teaching life easiest? Drop your pick in the comments below. I would love to see what teachers really need most. As you can see, all this means AI is not here to replace you. They are here to help you focus on creativity, human connection, and real learning. Therefore, the best classroom of the future will be those where teachers and AI worked together. Teachers bringing empathy and wisdom, and AI bringing efficiency and insights. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more, like and share it with others. Based on your interest, YouTube has recommended that this video will be good for you. Please click and watch it now. You can as well find other related videos in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.